What's up, UHS hardware fans? It's me, Louie, and I'm here today to discuss with you the mini ACDP Key Programmer. This little guy here is super powerful and comes with this entire kit of gorgeous things and all these special accessories and add-ons you're going to learn all about today. Come with me. So what makes the mini ACDP so special is that it simplifies work so much for vehicles like Land Rover, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, as well as Volvo, because it removes all need to solder. You don't need to solder at all. It comes in this gorgeous case, which comes with everything you need to charge, maintain, keep it in one place. It works with adapters only, such as the modules that it comes with for BMW, making it easy to work for CAS 1, 2, 3, and 4 system, as well as FEM, which gives you a full range of ability to work with vehicles from 2008 up to 2018. To work with this unit, however, we'll need to download an app, which we're going to install in either our phone or our computer. That's either Mac or PC or Android, depending on what you prefer. I'm going to show you how to do that right now.
First, head over to www.uhshardware.com/downloads. Scroll down to the ACDP section. Scan the QR code for the app or click the link of your desire and install the app. Following all instructions and accepting permissions.
So as soon as we open up our app, first thing we're going to do, follow the instructions here, is to turn on our Bluetooth on our phone. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Next to your unit, you're going to hold down the set button. Make sure it's powered on. It's actually really recommended you keep it plugged in to the entirety of this process. Hold down the set button. You're going to get one quick little beep beep, and then after a few seconds, we should get a long beep. Blue light comes on, we let go, we hit set one more time. Okay, after we do that, it's now ready to link up. So we hit next, and it pops up in our populated device area. We hit that, and we're gonna start our configuration. After I hit continue, the unit should give you a confirmation beep, and then finalize its connection. There we go. Device is successfully bound.
Our SN number is located here on the back of the unit.
Go to the Me section, module list, and then here it has everything listed that you have installed already. You're gonna hit add. So once you remove your module from the box, you'll see underneath this beautiful green sticker here that says tear open the access authorization code. You pull it back, you scan the QR code. Then we got our authorization success. As you see here, we've added in our Porsche module. Simple, easy. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. We got our unit set up, we got our app downloaded and installed, we got the unit hooked up, Bluetooth, everything fully connected. There's new versions coming out every year from the manufacturer. They're changing it up and they're making it more possible to work with newer vehicles, newer systems at all times. So before we're done here, I also have the engine integrated interface board set, which allows for easy reading of the ISN through the DME for BMWs. A must have for any of you working on BMWs. If you got any questions, any desires or needs that you need, go ahead and hit us up down below, leave a comment, like and subscribe to the video. If you got any questions, please visit uhs-hardware.com. Once again, I'm Louie. It's been a great day. I'm glad to have fans like you guys. Have a good day.